Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited today. I have some PR goodies to open up and show you guys. I feel like so much new makeup is coming out, so I'm really excited, but I'm just gonna jump right in. What I have on my eyes today, I'm so excited about. It's just such an incredible palette. It is from Luka Co, and they are with Winky Lux, and you guys know I love Winky Lux. It is just so bright and fun. Here is the palette. So this palette is inspired by the contrast of the desert shades from the vibrant oasis blue, Sahara-like pinks, and cactus-inspired greens. The palette creates an infinite amount of looks that are anything but ordinary. We have three finishes: matte, satin, and glitter. So I swatched some of the glittery ones and they are just so beautiful. I love this blue right here. It's almost like a cool tone blue, so I can't wait to get my hands on it. But today I did play with the greens and the golds, but it's just really awesome. And again, it's super bold, super fun, and I just feel like it's unlike anything they've ever done. Then they also have a sister brand called Beautiful Rights, which I think is going to definitely blow up soon, because the reason they're called Beautiful Rights is because 20% of all sales go to support women's rights and gender injustice initiatives. That was a tongue twister. Gender justice initiatives. So I think it's really, really cool that they have that sister brand, and I think it's really awesome when brands donate some of their sales. I think that's super incredible. They sent over some lippies. There is Gloss Ceiling, and that is just like a pale pinky nude gloss. And then here is Pantsuit Pink, which is a really pretty pink, and it looks almost kind of like a fruity berry type of color. On my lips right now, I'm actually wearing the Gloss Ceiling, and I really, really like it. Super comfortable, and it smells really great. If you guys ever used Winky Lux products before, you know they all smell really incredible. Then Luka sent over to their new highlighter, which is a creamy highlighter. I actually have it on right now. It's very pinky, and it has like little touches of gold. Very pretty. Here it is right here, super cute. And then here it is swatched. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I think with coming back to school, it's going to be awesome for back to school. It's great for summertime, and I think it's going to be really, really pretty for springtime as well. I love the color scheme in all of them. They're just very earthy tones, and it's just good feels. And they have their new prickly pear, Then they have their new prickly pear gloss. Oh my gosh, I can't like talk fast. I think my teeth get in the way. I'm not sure, but it smells like pears, and it smells really, really incredibly good. Like, I love, love, love these type of products that smell good. They just make me happy. The prickly pear gloss is like a pH reaction type of lip gloss, so for me it might turn out one color. For you guys it might turn out something a little bit different, because it reacts with like your hormones and stuff like that. So for me it comes out like a really pretty, fun, summery pink. So if you guys get this, I want to know what color it comes out on your guys' lips. Salon Perfect sent more of their spray primer, their palette cleanser, and then also their pre-moistened pads. I already have these, so I'm gonna put these guys in a giveaway. So make sure you enter my giveaway, and you have to be subscribed to me. You have to subscribe to my Instagram. You can't be just like a ghost follower trying to get something for free. But if you guys are loyal to me, make sure you subscribe for my giveaway. I love giveaways, and I feel like I haven't done one for a minute. And next up, Morphe sent over their Brunch Babe palette, and I'm really excited to play with this. I haven't used it yet, but it's very pretty. It has like peaches, pinks, warm tones, neutral tones. It's just very beautiful. I think this is going to be a perfect back to school type of palette, so I'm going to save this for a back to school look. What I love about it, it's only $25. It's very affordable, so I think this is the perfect palette for back to school. So make sure you guys keep up with my channel and check that out. Even if you're not going back to school, it's definitely perfect for daytime looks, or you could even use it for nighttime looks. But I really, really like this palette. It's got like your berries, your pinkies, your golds. I'm just gonna really enjoy this guy, especially Parfait right here, which is like kind of pinky, kind of peach, which is definitely my jam, up my alley. Love that tone of colors. Then next up, 11 Lashes sent me over some of their lashes, and These guys remind me a lot of the Salon Perfect lashes. You know they're my absolute favorite, so I'm excited to get my hands on and give these guys a try. Then next up, I'm really excited to play with this palette. It is the new Biker Babe palette from Velvet 59. On one of my videos, I used one of their lashes, and they're like crazy intense lashes, and they're so beautiful, and so many people are like, where did you get them, where did you get them? And it was Velvet 59, and this is made by them. So opening the palette, there's a little mirror, which I love. What is this? This is cruelty free. This is the first time I've ever used their palette eyeshadows. I've never used any of their makeup products. I've only used their lashes, so I'm excited to get my hands on it. So again, this is vegan, cruelty free. I'm excited to play with all the shimmers. The shimmers look awesome, especially this hot pink, so I'm going to swatch some for you guys. Here are some of the shimmers. I cannot wait to get in there and play with this one. This one looks so incredible. I just want to do something really fun with it. I think this is going to be good for fall, and it's going to be cool too to be able to mix up the colors. I'm loving like the baked golds and browns too, because I feel like that's good for summer. So this looks really fun to me, and I can't stop with the pink. Feeling them swatched on my hand, it felt like really silky, and I didn't have to use a lot of pressure to get the pigment payoff. So I'm looking forward to playing with these guys. So next up, Bliss and over some skincare. I love these. They're all natural. You guys know I'm into that. This one is Watermelon, and it's a de-stressing overnight mask. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to use it very soon because I need to detox in my life. And then the other one is In the Honey, and it is the Mega Moisturizing Lavender Honey Mask. I have used these products before, not these ones exactly, but I have used other products, and they literally smell incredible. They work wonderful. I love this company. I love this brand, so I'm very excited to try these guys out. So definitely look on my Instagram stories or my Snap or whatever, and if you guys want to keep up and see what I think of these guys. And yeah, let me know, do you guys like PR videos? Do you not like them? I don't want to come off as like braggy and annoying. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think, and make sure you subscribe and like and do all that stuff so you can enter my giveaway. And I'm going to provide the link so you can get as many entries as you can in there in the link. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the link, and then it's just gonna like walk you through all the steps you have to do to be able to enter it. So good luck, guys. I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon.